I've been thinking on this notion of political courage this weekend, in particular about some of the men and women who were elected to Congress the same year I was elected to the White House. Many of them were new to Washington. Their entire careers ahead of them. And in that very first term, they had to take tough vote after tough vote because we were in crisis. They took votes to save the financial system and the economy even when it was highly unpopular. They took votes to save the auto industry when even in Michigan people didn't want to see bailouts. They took votes to crack down on abuses on Wall Street despite pressure from lobbyists and sometimes their donors. And they found themselves in the midst of a great debate. A debate that had been going on for decades. A debate that the Kennedy family had participated in and helped lead. A debate about whether a nation as wealthy as the United States of America would finally make health care not a privilege but a right for all Americans. And there was a reason why health care reform had not been accomplished before. It was hard. It involved a sixth of the economy and all manner of stakeholders and interests. It was easily subject to misinformation and fear-mongering. And so by the time the vote came up to pass the Affordable Care Act, these freshman congressmen and women knew that they had to make a choice, that they had a chance to insure millions and prevent untold worry and suffering and bankruptcy and even death, but that this same vote would likely cost them their new seats, perhaps end their political careers. And these men and women did the right thing. They did the hard thing. Theirs was a profile in courage. Because of that vote, 20 million people got health insurance who didn't have it before. And most of them did lose their seats. But they were true to what President Kennedy defined in his book as a congressional profile in courage: the desire to maintain a reputation for integrity that is stronger than a desire to maintain office.